This is how to use dumbbell flies to build a huge chest. First, these are the mistakes you got to avoid. 1, don't accidentally do a dumbbell bench press by not opening your arms enough on the way down. This might sound obvious, but I'm guilty of this. I was doing dumbbell bench press for a very long time, thinking that I was doing dumbbell flies, until one of my followers corrected my form and told me I was not doing dumbbell flies the correct way. So I did some more research, looked at my form and corrected it. This is a very easy trap to fall into, so be on the lookout. Number 2, don't use heavy weights. Start with light weights and move up accordingly. You can really hurt your shoulders if you go too heavy trying to do these dumbbell flies. Number 3, make sure you're not lifting at a 90-degree angle. This can really mash up your shoulders, so be careful. This is how to use dumbbell flies to build a huge chest the right way. Number 1, curve your arms to look like a hook punch or wings. Number 2, grab your dumbbells in a vertical grip, thumbs facing the sky. Number 3, lower your wings as far as possible and then flap them back together. Number 4, while you're doing this, you should feel a stretch in your pecs. Even if you've got no dumbbells, you should feel the stretch in your pecs by doing this movement. If you can feel that, you're doing it right. If you can't feel it, there's something wrong that you need to correct. Number 5, make sure you're lifting at a 45-degree angle. This removes a lot of strain from your shoulders. Not doing this can lead to an injury. Be careful. Now, dumbbell flies are a great chest exercise, but this is only one of the exercises you need to build your dream body. If you want to know the other exercises you need to be doing every week, download my 2 free workout programs. Link is in the description, or go to jcarteret.com/free workout programs. These are the same programs I used to build my dream body, and I'm still using the Trap God program to this day. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download these programs while they're still free, because they won't be free forever. Don't miss out on this right now. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.